In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view form submissions in Jotform. Whether you're new to Jotform or just need a quick refresher, we'll make sure you have everything you need to seamlessly access the data collected via your forms. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred browser and search for Jotform. It's a popular platform, so it should come up quickly in your search results. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to either log in or sign up. If you're already a user, enter your email and password to sign in. If not, take a moment to create an account. It's relatively straightforward, and Jotform offers a free plan that should meet the needs of most users getting started. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in your Jotform dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the My Forms page. This is your central hub for all the forms you've created or had shared with you. Your forms, along with various options for managing them, will be accessible from this page. Now the next step is to locate the specific form for which you'd like to view submissions. If you have multiple forms, Jotform makes it easy to scroll through and find the exact one you need. Look for the form name, or use the search function provided at the top of the page to quickly pinpoint your desired form. With your form located, the next action is to find the Submissions button for that form. This button usually appears at the top of the page once you've selected a form. Clicking on Submissions will take you to Jotform Tables, which is a feature-rich environment designed to make viewing and managing your data as easy as possible. In Jotform Tables, you'll find all the submissions made to your form, neatly organized and easy to read. You'll see each submission laid out in rows, with columns representing the different fields in your form. You can click on individual submissions to view details, and you can even sort or filter the submissions to better analyze your data. And that's it. You now know how to efficiently view form submissions within Jotform. From logging in to navigating through your forms and reaching Jotform tables, you're now equipped to manage your data seamlessly. Whether you're checking a single entry or analyzing a large data set, Jotform provides you with the tools you need to make informed decisions based on your collected data. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more features of Jotform to optimize your form management experience.